Hey everyone, if you want to synchronize files with another computer, phone, server, or tablet, you'll first need to add that device to Syncthing. In this video, I'll show you how to add a new device in Syncthing from start to finish in 2026. First, make sure Syncthing is installed and running on both devices you want to connect. Open the Syncthing web interface on your primary device. This dashboard is where you'll manage connected devices, shared folders, and synchronization settings. After saving, Syncthing will send a connection request to the new device. Switch to the second device and open its Syncthing interface. You should see a notification indicating that another device wants to connect. Review the device ID and connection details carefully to confirm that the request is coming from the correct device. And that's how to add a new device in Syncthing in 2026. With secure device pairing and encrypted communication, Syncthing makes it easy to expand your private file synchronization network across all your devices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.